Hi everyone, here we've got WIKO View 3 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's tap on the dialer, and as you can see we've got 3 sections, and it doesn't really matter on which you will be or on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on this 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. That was a misclick. 3 dots icon and tap on the settings. And as you can see here, we've got the option blocked numbers, so let's enter, and we've got the option add a number, so let's tap. Here we can enter manually the number we would like to block, so let's enter it and simply tap on block. As you can see, it immediately appears on our blacklist, so it means that from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. Obviously you can unblock it whenever you want to. Just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock, and as you can see it immediately disappears, so it means that you will receive calls and texts from this number. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your WIKO View 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.